Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sikajantari and my level is Think 1A.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Sikra and my level is Class B.
We have come today for dance training at Jela Shilpakala Academy. Both of us are daily artists. I have been learning dance for 10 years and she is new. Let's talk about Jela Shilpakala Academy. Shilpakala Academy is the National Center of Art Culture Practice in Bangladesh. Shilpakala Academy has some certificate courses in art, dance, song, recitation, acting, musical instrument and painting are among them.
Shilpakala Academy has a stage above the water. There are two art galleries where painting and displayed. There is also an auditorium, canteen and library.
Bangladesh India Friendship Cultural Festival will be held 26th and 27th July 2024. You all are invited. Bye.